Assalamu alaikum students. This is the subject of Art and Design BS1 Semester 1. Our today's topic is cave art. Actually, the cave art was the art that was developed in the civilization during which people lived in caves. The people who lived in caves used to decorate the walls and ceilings of their caves and the area in which they were living to satisfy their aesthetic sense and to make the surrounding more beautiful. At that time, most art was developed in the form of paintings because there was no invention of writing, and that was almost 3400 BC time. At that time, the people of that civilization used different natural weapons or materials to make the paintings on the walls and ceilings of their caves, including sharp bones or small pieces, sharp small pieces of different rocks to carve, to paint, and to draw out different scenes or motifs on the walls and the ceilings of the caves. These paintings include the scenes of their cultivation process as well as the different wild beast animals, at the same time trees as well as other natural objects such as sun or river or rain or sunshine, all that. The basic purpose to study the cave art is to have a look that how much the art has developed today, which we are using today from the beginning of the mankind. The cave art civilization has been divided into three different groups: Paleolithic art, Mesolithic art, and Neolithic art. Paleolithic art is also called Old Stone Age, and it's almost 35,000 years ago period. Mesolithic age art is called Middle Stone Age, and that is almost 20,000 years ago. Neolithic art is called the New Stone Age, and it's almost dated from 8,000 years BC. First of all, we will discuss Paleolithic art, which is the art of Old Stone Age. Pal means old and lithic means stone. So, Paleolithic means Old Stone Age. This age is studied in Spain, France, Germany, and Africa, further classified into northern Spain and eastern Spain. The Paleolithic period is divided into three categories, that is Lower Paleolithic, Middle Paleolithic, and Upper Paleolithic. The way of living, it means that how the people used to live. Most probably people used to live in caves because that it is the cave art. So people used to live in the caves. They cultivate fruits and nuts and vegetables for their living. At the same time, they used different edible roots and nuts and berries grown naturally in the jungles. They don't cook food for their eating. They hunt animals with different weapons in order to get meat and eat it raw. With the passage of time, as the civilization developed, the human beings learned how to cook food in different ways to make it more healthy and more delicious. Paleolithic art is mostly very striking, and it depends on the artist. It reflected the artistic sense and skills of those people, and as I told you earlier, people used to paint on the walls and the ceilings of the caves in order to create different art creatures. During the Paleolithic or the Old Stone Age, paintings were done for some useful ends, and on the other hand, they have been regarded as religious in purpose. Now, why they made paintings? They made paintings for religious purpose, for artistic expression, for domestic decor, as a mode of communication, depiction of their life scenes, rituals, and magical rites and fertilization. Thank you, students.